How to use Cloudflare for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cloudflare as a beginner. So for that, first of all, you just have to sign into your Cloudflare account, and once you are signed in, you will see this interface. Just click on add a website or application at the bottom, and here in the home page you will see these options at the left hand side and these options at the top right. Just click on the profile icon and just go to my profile, and here you can add your email address and verify your email address with Cloudflare. So in the appearance section, you can choose the style of the theme that you are looking for. For example, if you want to turn a dark mode, you can click on dark, and that will make this whole screen dark for you. And you can also choose the system settings. I'm just keeping it on light, and after that you can go ahead and choose the language according to your need. And once you are done editing all the changes that you are required, just click on edit. Come to your home page again, and now you will see this option where you can add a website or application as a Cloudflare zone to make it faster and more secure and reliable. So you can click on get started and add the application. Now you will see this option called add site at the top. Just click on it. Now you can go ahead and enter your domain and just click on continue, or if you don't have a domain, you can go ahead and click on register new domain. Now just click on domain registration documentation and see what all documents will be required for you to get a domain. Just click on verify your account email address and enter your email address and verify with Cloudflare. And so this is how you can use Cloudflare as a beginner. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.